Hey guys, Jason here with 417 Drone and the Drone Owners Network. Kicking out a holiday tech tip for you. Playing with the Mavic 2 Pro. Really interesting, and I discovered it by accident. I've not seen it in the manuals or anywhere else. So the issue is that the customer, we were tracking ATVs in some difficult terrain around trees and some other things as well. So we were going to attempt to use active track. Now here's the problem: the customer, the premise of the videos were very cinematic. They want them to be we were shooting 24 frames, so we were following all of the rules to make a cinematic style video. So this particular customer is very specific on following the rule of thirds, so they didn't want the subject in the middle of the screen. So left third, right third is what we were looking for. Now, we discovered by accident that if you hold down the yaw stick after you've identified your active track subject, you can actually get the drone to position it not just in the center of the screen. So we'll go through a couple of videos here. Okay, some very basics on the rule of thirds. You notice here in the example, they've got the subject on the left third of the screen. It just produces a more dramatic effect, drawing your eye away from the center of the frame. Now that can be the left third, right third, top third, bottom third, and it can be the subject, the horizon, just anything that makes it a little more interesting. On the first video, we're using Active Track Profile. If you notice, we highlighted the subject and hit go. Drone closed in just a little bit, and now he's going down the sidewalk. Now in profile mode, you do have some options for movement of the aircraft. You can do a rear quartering shot, a front quartering shot, and all of that while in active track mode. You just move the aircraft with the right stick forward or backward. We got him on the return trip here. You see it'll pick up on the rear quartering shot. Again, without canceling, you can move around to the front third. But the problem is, again, he's located in the very center of the screen. Now, obviously, yes, we could shoot in 2.7 or 4K and crop in post. That's just not what we wanted to do. On the second video, same thing. Highlighted the subject, hit go, and right there, some movement with the yaw, and then it turns loose. So it takes a little bit. You can't just bump the stick and it starts to move. You have to hold down and kind of fight the aircraft a little bit, and then you can notice that it allowed us to position him on that left third of the screen. And then when the track begins, it holds him right there on the left third of the screen. You still have all the functions of the active track here. You can do the front quartering, you can do the rear quartering. Now when he turns around on the return trip, since we're still in the same positioning, you've got him in the front third of the screen. Back on the yaw stick, move it to the left a little bit, and it'll draw him over to the right third, and we'll get our positioning back where we want it. And you can again go to the right, front quartering and rear quartering shots without canceling the active track. So just sharing a holiday tech tip for you from the Drone Owners Network. Keep a close eye on our tech channel. We'll be rolling out more in the future. Thanks for watching.